Canon Canon PIXMA this here is and you type here driver download. This is why I am the download driver insert for the official website for you. I like the download for the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. This here for the official website and click here and this is why start loading. Okay. This here for the website loading and driver Canon PIXMA. This here is studio and you click here driver download and scroll down this here for the you select here operating system. This here for the operating system detect automatic your system operation. If you need to change, click here. It's here for the system operation for the all operating system for the Mac 12 and Mac 11 new operating system, and this here for the Windows 11 for the new operating system for the Windows and Chrome OS not support for server. And I am sure for you for the Mac 12. This here for the Mac 12 and automatic install. A future update will be applying operating system. This here for automatic install your operating system, not your connect the laptop for your Wi-Fi and your turn on the for printer. Input cable USB driver for the laptop or cable USB printer for the laptop or PC. This here for the detect automatic system for your operating system for the Mac 12 and Mac 11. And this video I am need to load for the Windows 11 driver. This here for the this white loading. This here for the automatic for the recommended for you and Windows 11 driver. This here for the functionality product and scan printing and Wi-Fi maybe. Wi-Fi support this here for the tickets setup for the Windows. You look in the release update, and this here for the field will be download and install driver. You need setup and you delete your product. Okay. Uh, this here for the install software and anchor product functionality. I am recommended for you download here. This here for the new operating system and your new driver. You look in the release update here and support for printing for scanner and full printing you support your you click here. This here for the you look in the support printing and Windows 11 for and you look in the scroll down and compatibility for the operating system support and language support. You this year for the system operation requirement for the this year for the driver and setup and download and install product. You double click the download file and compress. And this here for the install automatic. Okay. This here for history file and you support your printer. Okay. Uh, you download here. If you need to download a driver, you download. Okay, this here for the drive for download. If you need install driver for the your printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB driver for the laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer and please write the finish driver download. You double click here the driver and double click here the driver download this here for automatic install for the your cable USB printer. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link, download below description. Thank you for watching.